Hello and welcome back. Today we have a fast and easy air ombre tutorial for you. Imagine using dipping powder by spraying from a bottle. It's super easy and fast with no special skills needed. We're applying this amazing technique to create the world's finest and easiest ombre nail art. We will be pairing our air ombre with a jealous color from our brand new collection, Lumi Glam. Remember, every great service starts with sanitized tools. Let's spoon some of our natural set into our French mold. We now want to apply our first layer of jealous base. Drop the excess on the base of the nail. Our goal is to have a nice, thin foundation. Work on one nail at a time. When we finish, we want to dust everything off. Make sure you dust underneath the nail as well. Let's go over one more time with our jealous base. We want to make sure we wipe down our brush between each nail. This is so that we avoid cross-contaminating our products. If you'd like to see a video on that, let us know in the comments below. Now it's time for color. When we start working with a new air ombre bottle, we want to turn it upside down and right side up a few times. We also want to roll or tumble the bottle. This primes our pump with the powder. Now, we want to press down and get one solid pump. Once we know that our product is loaded in the chamber, we can begin. Let's pour our Lumi Glam color into our French mold. We want to apply jealous base. Let's go in with our air ombre, left to right and right to left. Look at how easy that is. Now we apply our color. Perfect. Remember to keep your workstation as clean as possible. We now want to apply another layer of color, but this time we're going to reverse our process. This time we will be applying our Lumi Glam color first. We start off with applying a layer of jealous base. Now let's apply our air ombre. Dust off to keep everything neat. Now let's use some of our natural set sheer. This will help protect our color. Let's apply a layer of jealous base. Drop the excess at the base and sprinkle in some natural set sheer. Dust everything off. Make sure to get underneath the nail. Let's apply a layer of sealer dry. Let's start filing. Remember to use a light touch. Go around the cuticle lines and sidewalls. If you have your SNS e-file, you can use that too. When using the e-file, keep it on a low speed. 1 or 2 is ideal. Dust off and begin to buff. Dust off and make sure you get underneath the nail. One more light, fast layer of sealer dry. This is used to bind our product. Let's now move on to apply our gel top. Let this top coat completely dry before applying a second layer. To finish, we will apply some SNS vitamin oil. This will help our clients' nails to grow strong and healthy. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Hit the bell icon to get all of our latest fast and easy tutorials. Please comment below if you have any questions or if there are any topics you'd like to see covered.